What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Just doing the stuff that I can do at the minute. As you know, the sun is setting. Honestly, it's gorgeous over there. What you're going to see is that little statue over there. So back in June 1960, there was an underground explosion at the mine here in Abertillery, which killed 45 out of 48 workers. Awful tragedy. Exploded right through the mine. I think it was a build-up of old dust and gas that was left down there. Obviously, yeah, it's terrible. It's a tragedy. So this has been put here as a memorial to them, but it touches base with me as well, because my grandpa was actually a miner for 45 to 50 years, top of my head. So yeah, it's definitely a South Wales heritage, isn't it? So I'm going to lean against the car, I'm going to get the drone up, and I'm just going to fly the drone, because I see so many people actually walk there and just do a video there. But to be honest with you, I want to see it from a different point of view. The sun is setting as well down there in the valleys, so one noisy motorbike that was. So yeah, the sun is setting down there in the valleys, so should get some nice atmospheric drone shots over it. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a drone footage. You know, I've done a bit, pan to it, pan round it, etc. Just showing off. The thing is massive. I've stood by it before. It's 66 foot tall, which is quite awesome. So the whole scale of it is a bit like, whoa. And as you can see, it's literally just valleys around, valleys and valleys. I'm not used to this because I live on the coast, love the coast. So, you know, it's one of those things. But there we go, that was a video. I hope you've enjoyed it. There's a lot more explores, there's a lot more videos, there's a lot more cool stuff coming up. So yeah, stick by, and yeah, don't forget, Viking Views for car stuff. Absolutely insane stuff going on there. Paranormal stuff, Portal Paranormal. Stay tuned, because there is some incredible stuff with incredible people coming up. That's all I'm going to say. So until next time, peace and love as usual. Stay safe, take it easy, take care, boosh.